Some Apple iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus users say a low hissing sound emanates from the back of their phones when the devices are pushed to their processing limits. There is a consensus online that the noise could be coil whine, caused when the phone's powerful A10 processor comes under a heavy workload. Coil whine occurs when an electromagnetic coil physically vibrates due to the strength of the electric current passing through it. The noise can be dampened, for example with a drop of glue, but the dampener can deteriorate over time.